Hi guys, this is Sunil Gupta and you are learning the complete ethical hacking course Exploring Secrets of Hackers. In previous videos we have learned that how you can use password cracking tools like John the Ripper, Q, Crunch and all to find out the password hashes and password lists. Now we are proceeding to our next module which is our next tool which is Medusa. Medusa is an important tool to crack passwords of different type of protocols. If you don't know Medusa, then I'm going to tell you what is Medusa. Medusa is parallel network login auditor. To crack the protocol, then you have to type Medusa, then you have to give the username list, then you have to give the password list, and then you have to give the module name. I will clear you in the practical part, don't worry. So Medusa is intended to be speedy, massively parallel, modular, login brute forcer. It is a basically brute forcer. What is the goal? The goal is to support as many services which allow remote authentication as possible. Yeah. The author considers following items to some of the key features of this application. These are the options. -H is for target hostname or IP addresses. Reads target specifications from the file specified rather than from the command line. These are the target, these are the username. For the password, you have to type -P. So in this tutorial, first of all, we will set up our practical lab. We have to open an FTP port, we have to open an FTP server in our Windows, and then we will crack the username and password of that FTP server using Medusa in next video. So first of all, here I'm going to show you that how you can install an FTP server in your Windows. So go to your Windows operating system. This is my Windows operating system, right? So go to the Mozilla Firefox, go to Google Chrome and type download FileZilla server and type enter. You have to click on the first one, or you can also click on that the FileZilla server, because this server will give you or will open the FTP port of your system. It will give you the file sharing options in your system. So you can download it by the following steps. I have already downloaded it, so I don't want to download it again. I have shown you the process to download the software, right? And otherwise there are so many other links are also available here. The files you can also download from the FileZilla. Click on here and it will also go to the source host, and your FileZilla software will be downloaded in 4 seconds. Okay, so that's it. I don't want to download it because I have already. So first of all, download the FileZilla server in your Windows operating system, and now I'm giving you how you can install it in your Windows. So I'm going to my FileZilla installer file. So I'm going to FileZilla. This is my installer file. So let's open it. I agree. Okay, fine. Next. Yes, I want to install it. Then click on yes, this is the port number it is using. Okay, fine. This is the port number. Next. And install. Now click on close. Now it has opened up localhost 14147 port number and the password. Connect. Now it is again connecting to my FTP here. Now you can see that this is FileZilla, and we go to the some settings. So click on edit, click on users. Now you can see that I've created a user Sunil, and let's create a password. So I'm typing my name Sunil as a password. Maximum connection count 5. Connection limit per IP, let's say it is 10. And shared folders, I have added a shared folder from my desktop and click on OK. That's it. Now file server has created the FTP. Let's open it. Let's go to and type FTP // and your Windows IP address. Now you can see that it is showing the username and password. So let's type Sunil and Sunil here. Yes, and now you can see that I'm here to find the files inside my FTP. So my FTP port is open ultimately, right? Now the turn is for Kali Linux, that if FTP port is open in Windows, then how will you break the FTP, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm creating a password file because I don't know the password list, so I'm creating a crunch. I'm creating a password file. I don't know the password is Sunil, so I'm creating a permission combination of Sunil, right? So let's do it. Crunch 454 space 5 space Sunil space dash o space /root /desktop /medusa dot lst. Enter. Now it is created 3750 generated output. So let's see where it has saved our password file. Here you can see that all the passwords have been saved here, right? So now FTP is open in Windows, and now we have to crack the passwords in our. Here you can see this is the command to crack the password of FTP remotely. So let's try it. Go to your terminal. I hope you have downloaded the FileZilla. If you have any problem, then you can message me directly. So first of all, type Medusa space -h. Now the target IP address. Let's see what is the command Windows IP address by typing in ipconfig. And this is the IP address, right? 192.168.0.5. So let's type it 192.168.0.5. Then dash small u is for the username. So username is Sunil. I know that, but I don't know the password. So I have to use the password list I have created, the medusa.lst. So let's try it. /root /desktop and slash medusa.lst, right? This is fine. Now what is next? Next dash m is for module. And what type of protocol you are hacking? I'm hacking the FTP, so type FTP. Fine. Okay, this is Medusa. We are hacking this IP address. We know the username is Sunil, but we don't know the password, so we have created a password list using Crunch, and we are hacking the use protocol this. So let's try it if it works or not. So it is fine because we have a password list, so it will try one by one to attack on the password. As you can see that it is using these passwords one by one. It is a bit slow, but it will take some time, but it will crack it. The possibility is 100% that it will crack it, but you have to give some time to it, right? So for testing purpose, let's create a text file because we don't have so much time to wait for the password cracking. So let's create a password file in which I am using some names like QWERTY 123 ABC admin 123456, and the final is Sunil. So let's try if it works for it. So it is save it as on desktop, name it as medusa 1.lst. Let's save it. So this is here, and these are some 5 to 6 passwords. Let's go to terminal again. Let's clear it and go to the same commands for medusa. This is the medusa command, right? Now let's change it to medusa 1.lst and let's crack the password for enter. Now it will read from the password list file. Yes, it has started that we have the it is started with the QWERTY. Then it will take some time to 1 2 3 4 5 6. It has checked the 1 2 3. That 1 2 3 is not the right password. The right password is Sunil. When it comes, maybe it will show you the success. It has checked the third one, which is ABC. No, it's not the right one. We are hacking the FTP of our Windows. Fourth admin, it also won't work. Admin, right? And let's check another one. And FTP is using another one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 is it's not the right one. And the last one is Sunil. So let's see that if it works or not. Yes. Now you can see this is the password is Sunil, and you can see that Sunil is the successful password to crack FTP. Right, so let's try it in our Linux that we can access the Windows FTP or not. So type FTP colon slash slash 19 the Windows IP address 192.168.0.5, enter. We know the username and password of FTP is Sunil. Now authentication has come here. Type Sunil username, and Medusa has told us that password is also Sunil. Click on OK. It is checking the password and username is right or not. and when it is, if it is right, then it will give us the access of the file, but that's it. That we have also get the files of the Windows. So means we have hacked the FTP port of Windows using Medusa. We have done so many commands used in this practical. So that's how you can see that we have downloaded. We can also check the FTP file sharing system in our Kali Linux also. So that this is the beauty of Kali Linux Medusa tool, which is used to crack the username and password of the protocols like FTP. And this is the exact command which you can use to crack the FTP of any IP address. So that's how you can use to create and hack FTP using FileZilla and Medusa. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and thank you so much. If you have any query, you can message me directly. I will revert you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for this video.